Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and fix Streamlabs crashing when switching scenes. So this is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why it could be happening. It could also be your output settings. So in order to go ahead and understand what your PC is capable of, you'll need to just play around with your settings. For example, for video bitrate, normally I play around 4500 to 6500 when it comes to 1920 by 1080. However, if your computer is not going to handle that much, you can simply lower it down to something like 2500 or 3000, right? That's one thing. Then you can go ahead into video settings. You could also go ahead and stream it in 720 if your PC is not handling 1920 by 1080. And the other thing, so for example, if you have a powerful computer, however, it is still crashing when changing scenes, try to go ahead and remove the transition that you're currently using. Just go ahead and delete that, and just don't use stinger transition. Use something like cuts or fades, which is just simple, right? And the other thing what you can do is simply go ahead and try to reinstall your Streamlabs. So all you need to do is go to add or remove programs, just like that, and go ahead and search for Streamlabs. So let me just go ahead and find that down here. And once you go ahead and find Streamlabs, go ahead and simply delete it through here. So there it is. Just click on this triple dot and uninstall and freshly reinstall it back into your PC, and that should do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.